all those persons responsible for this may be prosecuted and jailed. But to completely heal our nation, justice is not enough. We need restitution. The law defines restitution as an act of making good or giving equivalent for any loss, damage, or injury and indemnification. We are gathered here to advance a critical and vital part of the ICI's mandate, which is to hear, investigate, receive, gather, and evaluate evidence, intelligence reports, information against all government officials and employees, and any other individuals involved in these anomalous irregularities and misuse of funds in the planning, financing, and implementation of government flood control and other infrastructure projects nationwide. That is our goal. These assets were purchased using public funds. They belong to the Filipino people. Money that could have been spent on building schools, hospitals, and road projects was instead burned wantonly on useless luxuries and vices. Let us work together. Let us recover what was stolen. Only then can our nation truly heal. Maraming salamat po.